When you're working with green screens, blue screens, red screens, or any screen used for compositing, what would you usually do is you just drag your clips onto the software, turn on the chroma key, or drag an effect onto your video clip, and that's basically it. But the thing is, it goes way beyond that. So I'll show you 6 steps to a surefire way on how to create the best green screen videos. Let's begin. The first step for a great green screen video is lighting. Make sure that all of your blinds are pulled down so that no natural light will come in, and make sure that all the lights in the room, preferably above the green screen, are turned on, or even better, get one of those studio lights, but if you can only afford it. That way, you will have a more consistent product. Second is to make sure that the talent is wearing something that contrasts the green screen, blue screen, or red screen. That way, it won't get keyed out in post-production, and you'll save lots and lots of time. Third is camera movement. Before you record your green screen footage, make sure to review your background. If it has any camera movements, make sure you memorize that, because it will create a much more realistic video. If it does not, then make sure that you get a tripod so that you'll have a much more still video and your final video adheres to the background. Moving on, the fourth step in making a green screen video is recording. Make sure that the talent is within the grounds of the green screen so that you won't waste time masking. Make sure to not forget all the camera movements that is in the background so that you will have a more consistent look on your final output. Last but not the least, editing. This is probably one of the easiest and hardest at the same time because it depends on the quality of your footage. Sometimes you can just drag an effect into it, change the color, and just get with it. But there are some cases where you need color correction, which might not sound hard, but trust me, if you're an absolute beginner, it is super overwhelming. So now that I've got all these 5 steps down, I would like to say thank you for your support. As always, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. That is all for today, guys. See you in the next video.